When we delve into the depths of religious scriptures, we often encounter passages that are rich with profound spiritual meaning. One such verse that has captivated theologians and believers alike is John 6 verse 35, which reads, "I am the bread of life, whoever comes to me shall not hunger, and whoever believes in me shall never thirst." In this article, we will unravel the significance of these words and explore how they can transform our understanding of spirituality and nourish our souls. The eternal bread of life, unraveling John 6 verse 35. The words of John 6 verse 35, spoken by Jesus himself, go beyond their literal meaning and offer a profound metaphorical insight into the sustenance of our spirits. Jesus declares himself as the bread of life, implying that he provides the essential nourishment for our souls. Just as bread sustains our physical bodies, Jesus, through his teachings and divine presence, offers sustenance for our spiritual well-being. This metaphor of bread signifies the life-giving nature of Jesus' teachings and the spiritual sustenance they provide. Just as bread is a staple food that satisfies our physical hunger, Jesus' teachings satisfy the longing and emptiness within our souls. By coming to Jesus and embracing his teachings, we are promised an eternal nourishment that surpasses any temporary worldly satisfaction. This eternal bread of life offers a profound sense of purpose, fulfillment, and satisfaction to those who seek it. Profound spiritual significance, an in-depth analysis. The spiritual significance of John 6 verse 35 lies in its invitation to seek a deeper level of connection and fulfillment through Jesus' teachings. By declaring himself as the bread of life, Jesus emphasizes the importance of a spiritual connection with him as the pathway to eternal satisfaction. This verse challenges us to consider the importance of nurturing our souls and seeking spiritual nourishment alongside our physical needs. Furthermore, the metaphor of bread also highlights the transformative power of Jesus' teachings. Much like bread is transformed through a process of kneading, rising, and baking, Jesus' teachings have the potential to transform our lives. By internalizing and living out his teachings, we can experience a profound spiritual transformation that leads to a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. In addition, John 6 verse 35 emphasizes the role of faith in accessing the eternal bread of life. Jesus states that whoever believes in him shall never thirst. This suggests that faith in Jesus as the source of spiritual nourishment is essential for attaining a sense of wholeness and fulfillment. By placing our trust in Jesus and believing in his teachings, we open ourselves up to receiving the nourishment our souls desperately crave. As we reflect on the profound spiritual significance of John 6 verse 35, we are reminded of the importance of seeking spiritual nourishment alongside our physical sustenance. Jesus, as the bread of life, offers a path to eternal satisfaction and fulfillment that surpasses any worldly desires. By embracing his teachings and nurturing our faith, we can experience a transformative spiritual journey that leads to a deeper connection with ourselves, others, and the divine. May we all partake in the eternal bread of life and find nourishment for our souls. Please like and subscribe for more content. Complete videos are on our channel. Thank you.